day everyone. Today I will be showing you how to do citations on the Google Documents platform. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone to 3 different sources where I could get valuable information from. I will just show you. So I went to Harvard Business Review and I saw that this article by Sylvia Ann Hewlett in 2014 is of value. Ideally you want to watch the dates. You want it to be no older than 5 years. Sometimes it could be of value. Okay, then I found this other article on Forbes, Key Statistics and Trends 2024, HR Trends Stats. This also helped me a lot with what I was doing, so I decided that this is one I'll use. And then finally I went to Google Scholar and I did a search on leadership and leadership skills, and then I literally just copied the link from that and I pasted all of this in a document that I've called citation demo. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do the citations. So let me make up a statement about human resources. So I'll say human resource stats have shown that employees are happier to be in the workplace as a result of COVID-19. Okay, and that's just a random statement, and imagine I wanted to find something to support this, and I found that the key stats HR document supports what I was saying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Tools and I'm going to click on Citations, and then you just make sure that it's MLA 8th edition and you go Add Citation. Then you must tell it what it is. So let's just say it's a website, and then you can leave that as, and then you just copy this and copy this. You can see it pops up automatically to copy it, and then I'll paste it and it will search for it and it will tell me what's missing and what information I was able to find. Okay, so I'm going to say continue. Let's just see, apologies for that. Continue. So it hasn't been able to pick up who the authors are, which means I'm going to have to put it in myself. Okay, so you're going to go back to the Forbes article and we'll see that it's Kirsty Snyders and Cassie Botteroff. So I'm going to try and remember how to spell their names. I mean, alternatively, you can just copy that, go back to your document. Let's see what happens when I paste it in. It's probably not going to paste properly, so I'll just put it here for now. I didn't want to paste it that way. I just wanted to paste it without format. Okay, cool. So just so that I can spell it. Very bad with spelling names. Kirsty Snyders. Okay, and then the other individual who was on this or assisted with this is not mentioned. Oh yeah, Cassie Botteroff. Let me add a contributor and then just put the surname. Okay, and what you want to do ideally is make sure that you have at least 5 references for every assignment that you do, and then an additional 5 for every research paper that you're doing. Okay, so then everything else is in. I'm happy with it, so I'm just going to say add citation. So you'll see that it saves it here as a citation, but you're not done there, so you need to actually cite it. So we're going to say click cite, and then you'll see it will put it in there. Okay, and then I'm going to keep writing, and I'm going to say I, as an individual, aim to enhance my career by developing the skill developing patience. You should say patience. Okay, and then I'm going to support this with another reference. Let's just say I want to support it with 2 references because I read 2 articles that got me thinking about this. So I'll go website and I'll paste this one. So this one's from Harvard Business Review. Let's see if it finds all the information. Okay, so it doesn't have the title. Okay, that's easy. I can fix that. It doesn't have the year or the contributor. So you can see it's missing some stuff. So we're going to have to put that in manually. So we'll go to the Harvard Business Review article And we know it's Sylvia and Hewlett. We know that it's called As You Start Your Career. So, I mean, sometimes the software is not able to detect this information. Let's see if I paste this. Okay, it didn't paste it the way I wanted it to. So I'm just going to drag this across. Put that there. And we know that Anne was her middle name. So let's just put that there. Okay, cool. And then what was the name of it? So it's As You Start Your Business. These are skills you should focus on. I'm going to go, where is it? It's title. And I'll just paste this plain text. Then it will keep it there. Okay. We know it's Harvard Business Review, so I'm going to just call it HBR. We have the link here. So I'm just going to copy this and I'll paste it. Okay. And then we know it's HBR again. Month, year we don't need. We just really need the year. That's very important, the year. The month is not really an issue. The day is not an issue. When you access it, it's not an issue. So I'm going to add this. Okay. So now you'll see that Howlett, Sylvia, Anne is here. And I want to citate that from her. So I'll hit the cite button and you'll see that it pops up. Okay. And then I want to support this with an article that I found on the Google Scholar site. So I'm going to copy this and I'll just say add citation. I'm going to tell the system what it is. Journal article, website. Okay, I prefer to not do it manually. Let's see if I can search for it. Okay, hold on. Let's go back. Add citation. Select an option. Website. Let's see if it can detect based on the website link I've provided it with. Okay, my bad. It's not showing it as a link. So you want to be careful. Just make sure that you're actually selecting links. Try it again. Okay, it seems it's found it, but it says it's a YouTube video, which is not correct at all. Okay, so you must just check these things out. Okay, so let's just cite it manually. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. We don't want to add a website. Okay, let's start this afresh. So I'm going to go say journal article. We're going to say it's a website journal article. It had an author on it. Let's see who's the author. Okay, so it's Joanne B. Sulia. Okay, we're going to need all of this information anyway, so I'm just going to copy it across. And I'll paste it here, so while I'm editing it, I'll just paste without formatting. Okay, so we need this, it's the title. Okay, so let's get rid of, this is not relevant. Let me see. Yeah, so this is what we're looking for. This is our title. So let's copy this. Okay. And then it's the, I believe this will go here in the, why is it not? Okay, I'll just cut this, it's fine. Getting in the way. Okay, let's add the author. So we know it's Joanne. You can always type it in if you want. And we know it's B. And then we know it's Sulia. Okay, if I spelt it wrong, I am sorry. But I'm going to just in the interest of time. So we want to get the volume and the issue. So go back here. Let's see what volume it was. It should tell us. Okay, so we know what pages it is. Sometimes you don't get all the info and you just have to make do with what you have. So we have volume 50. Okay, so volume 50, page 153. Okay, that should be enough info. Volume 50 and 153 to 164. Okay, and then the year that it was published, I think this was a little older. 2020. Okay, I put a filter on there, so it should be fine. So it's very important to put the year. Okay, and I'm just going to add it. I'm going to leave the rest. I don't think we need the rest of it. It's all good. Okay, so let's just add citation. And you'll see that it pops up here. And I'll say, I'll delete all this information that I don't want. This was just used to do the citation. And then you just add cite. Okay, and you can see that it's done a little hash, which means that something is missing. Why is there something missing? Oh, it wants a page number. Okay. Wonder why it wants that page number. Maybe something is missing in my... just put the one... Okay, should be fine. I mean, that's basically how you do the referencing. The hash thing, I won't penalize you for it. You know, we will figure out how to get past that as we go through it. But other than that, I think that you should be able to, you should be happy with that. You know, like this is how we do some referencing. For your formative and your summative, just make sure you have at least 5 and then additional 5 supporting ones when you have to do a report or an article. Okay, and then when you're done with this, you go to the end and you'll go, let me just dismiss this, then you'll go, where is it? So I think we need to insert the, oh yeah, sorry, it's on this, it's right here. I always look past it. But you must click insert works cited. Then it will add all the works cited, you see. But this must always go right at the end. So I'll put it at the end so it doesn't mix with the answers. Okay, it's very important that you put this in there. Okay, so that's basically how we do referencing and citation. So as I said, 5 for the formative, 5 for the summative, and then an additional 5 in the reports and the research assignments that you have to do. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you, everyone.